Hey yo! It's Chris O. We're just about to mark and cut for this here tap. We'll just change the cutter. It's bloody a bit tricky doing it. Oh, come on. Come on! Cool. Now, we'll mark the sucker. I need a piece of tile. I could use a tape, yes, but I don't. I always use a piece of tile. And what I'm going to do is cut it in here. I'm not going to make much dust. I'm going to use a bit of water because this is a bloody hard tile. Because outside is too hot and it's too glary, and I come back in here and whoa, I can't see. Da, 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 da. Probably saying, what the fool's singing about now? I don't know. Right, that's the bottom. That there like that. Around there like that. I'll be cutting a little bit bigger than that because that is just too exact. Let's do it. See how I go on an angle? If I went flat down, it would kick. And I would stuff my tile. You go in, you start off on an angle and then gently, slowly but surely straighten up. See how the water just helped that little bit just to get it through. Now let's hope I've marked it right. Oh God. Well, I'll take that home, people. I'll put my name, C&T Marble and Ceramics YouTube, Chris O, to that one. That's good. Now if they've got a small cover, I haven't even looked what they've got, but it'll cover. Cool. Thank you very much. Measure once, or measure twice, cut once. People, I haven't made too much dust. Nah, it's all right. See ya. Bye.